Good evening everyone, welcome to one problem per day homework portal. So this is the second question. Yesterday we had already seen one question based on time dilation, and today we will see one more problem on this. So this problem states, okay, this problem is for a short question which is only for 3 marks. Let me click on this timer now. Okay, the diagram shows two clocks A and B that have been synchronized. Okay, clock A is at the origin, clock B is at the distance D away in the same inertial frame. Okay, suggest a way by which the clocks were synchronized. That's a question. So which means now how do I synchronize these two clocks? How do I start both the clocks at the same instant of time? Okay, so if I want to do it, I should have a remote control. So I click on the remote control and both of them start. Now in order that I have a remote control, what should I do? I should send a signal to both of these clocks. Okay, I should put one sensor here, I should put one sensor here, and I should send a signal to both of these clocks. So it begins. Okay, now what I will do is I'll take a midpoint here. I take a midpoint here, and from here I will start sending a signal. I'll send a signal, and so that the signal travels equal distances in the same amount of time t, and the moment it reaches clock A and clock B, okay, with respect to me, okay, I'll start the remote, and hence you see the A and B will be synchronized. Very simple thing. Now we need to write it. Okay, how do you write? The first thing is that what do? We should set both the clocks to 0. Okay, so set A and B to 0, because you see it is showing some different timings over here. I don't want this to happen. I want this one to set it to 0, first thing. Then what's the second thing? Consider a point C, midpoint to A and B, and send a light signal. Send a light signal to both A and B from there. So what happens now? The light signal travels like this. This light signal travels like this. Okay, then when the signals reach A and B, start the clocks. This ensures the clocks are synchronized. Okay, this is the answer for it. Let us move on to the next question.